And one of the problems we all have in our research is making the survey or preparing the survey, especially when we have many examples. And Juuso found a way to do this automatically. ちょうど今日話に出てきたサーベイとかアンケートを作るときにサンプルがたくさんある。例えばチャンの場合は1万件もある場合はそれを、例えば Google フォームで作る場合はもう全部手作業でやらないといけないけど、Juusoさんはもうそれを自動的にできる方法を見つけてくれましたので、それを今紹介してくれます。はい、OK。じゃあお願いします。You can share anything you want.
Yes, I will put Okay, so if you want to also try it out yourself, you can just open a new spreadsheet, like Google spreadsheet, and we can do together. Or if you want to just watch it, it's also fine. Wait a minute, which window is this? This is this. Okay, it's this one. Okay, can you see an empty spreadsheet?
Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Is it working? The share.
Just a second. Just a second, Tanjim. Yes. So just a second. Let me send you Tanjim same link as well. So, okay, here's the URL, and let's actually finish the Slack meeting. Okay.
Yeah, so I also I'm actually in the same situation. Like I need to make a questionnaire that like basically needs to have like hundreds of questions. So in order to solve that, I was checking for ways to automatically make a questionnaire, and then I just found out that with Google Forms you can just simply populate the whole questionnaire from a spreadsheet. So I'm about to demonstrate to you how it works. Oh, Michal, just tell me when I should start.
Oh, whenever you want.
Oh, okay. So okay, can I just start now, or?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay. So if you want to also try it out, just open an empty spreadsheet and let's get started. So first, let's just make an example questionnaire here on the spreadsheet. Let's make some questions like here on the B column. You can write anything you want as a sample question, or choose. You can put like choose one or whatever you want, and then on the next column, you need to write the type of the response. And I guess in Google Forms there are like multiple choice options, or then like multiple select options where you can select many things, or just a text, like a free text box. So let's make a multiple choice question. And
can you make the font larger or zoom the spreadsheet?
Sorry, okay. Just a second. Let's just make the font larger. I guess it's easier. Can you? Okay, can you see?
Yeah, okay. You can also zoom in the whole spreadsheet, like 100, not 100%, or like 120 or whatever.
Oh, sorry, I couldn't hear what you said.
Oh, okay. So you can also just zoom in the spreadsheet. There's like 100%,
Right here.
point, and you can make it like 150 or something. Yeah.
Okay. Can you see it better now?
Yes.
So let's just make a random questionnaire. So on the B column, just write the question itself, and then C column, just write the type of response. In this case, let's make a multiple choice question, and then to the D column, just write some response options, like these are responses or something. Then let's make a couple of more of these. You can just make any kind of questions you want. I'll just copy paste from here. Of course, it's smaller font, but yeah. So let's just make a simple questionnaire spreadsheet like this. Then if you want to turn this into a Google form, just click extensions, and here is appscripts. So click this one. じゃあ、この、スプレッドシートを、Google フォームズのアンケートにしたいなら、B 列に、質問の、テキストを書いて、C 列に、応答のタイプ、応答の書類を書いて、じゃあここに応答のオプション。その後、エクステンションズからappscriptをクリックして、なんかこんなプログラミング環境みたいな画面になります。So to this programming interface, we need to write a code that actually takes the data from the spreadsheet and turns it into a Google form. I just sent this code also to Slack, so you can copy it from the Slack if you are trying this out. Just copy the code from the NLP channel and then paste it here. It should work as it is. じゃあこのコードは、スプレッドシートから、データを読み取って、フォームズを作成します。Here is the okay, let's go from the beginning. I will just quickly explain what it does. So it takes the spreadsheet that it's linked to. It links it when you click the appscripts from here, and then the code just simply takes the questions from the columns and the response type, and then the response options, and creates a form with it. So it's quite simple. I didn't make this code. I just found it on the internet. So, but yeah, let's click save. 一回保存して、この実行ボタンを押して、let's click the run button. Oh, it will probably ask you for authorization from your Google account, so just click OK. Here you have to click advanced and then click from here. Go to untitled project in this case. And just allow the appscript to access your spreadsheet. And here we get the link to the newly created form. Just open this one and you will see that the magic happened. じゃあ、実行したら、このリンクを開いて、Google フォームになります。Okay, so this form is just simply created from this spreadsheet. So the code just simply took the text, the question text from here, and the response types and the responses, and made it into a Google form. So it's really this simple to automatically create a Google form. Next, I mean, for example, if you want to have more questions, you can just let's just manually make some more. What kind of questions will this make? Okay, let's just repeat these same questions, for example, and then if we just run this script again, it will update the form. And yes, now we have a form with 30 questions. I think this is especially helpful if you have if you need to make a questionnaire that has many, for example, hundreds of questions. You can just, I don't know, for example, make create this spreadsheet using, I don't know, a script of some kind. For example, in Python, you can just create this, create this kind of, what is this called now? A form, the questionnaire in this format with Python, for example, maybe based on your data, and then just open it here as a spreadsheet and run this small piece of code to turn it into a Google form. So yeah, I hope I hope this will be useful for you. If you have any questions or something, I can try to also answer.
Okay.
This is the whole tutorial.
Yes, great. Thank you. Very good tutorial. Does anyone have any questions? 何か質問ありますか? So what? Yeah, pretty straightforward. Okay, I actually have one question. So you prepared the spreadsheet, right?
Yes.
And in the spreadsheet, you used some specified fields like question number, question text, response type, and response. How do you know that this should be in this way? Did you find some kind of template somewhere?
It's just in this code. These are the options it looks for on. But I mean, these names actually don't matter. They are just for clarifying. This could just not exist, and it would still be fine. But it reads from the second. If I remember correctly, it reads from the second row.
Oh, okay. So the first line is just for.
It's just for a header, so it's
header for the user. So so what is this code actually using? is there some kind of API for Google Forms so that the code sort of asks the API of Google Forms to create a multiple choice question or some other kind of question?
Yeah, well, I mean, here, if I try to explain this code very simply, actually, for example, well, here it just creates a form. And here it just connects to your connects to the spreadsheet. I guess it just I don't know if it uses like any kind of API that like you can use by yourself. It's probably just inside this appscript. Like you can probably use it from outside of this. Outside of this service, but I guess it just gets the spreadsheet as a table and then reads the data out from these places specified here. So I actually don't know if there's a way to access the spreadsheet like from, for example, if you want to like do it on your own environment or something. I don't know if that will work, but at least you can do it here.
Okay, so I can see that there's some kind of spreadsheet app and form app which communicate with each other. So
Yes.
the question is there some kind of like a cheat sheet which I can use to choose some other kind of question, for example?
Like other kind of question. I mean, what do you mean by other kind of question?
Because I think there are more question types in Google Forms than just those 4.
Actually, I didn't find. I can search for one. Probably it's somewhere specified. There's probably a documentation for this, but I didn't actually use it yet.
Okay, yeah. So I guess I think it's probably faster if we just search the form app and we just look for the specific question types.
Yes, I mean I can check it after this and I'll post it on the channel, the Slack channel, the question types, or a link to like a documentation or something. I didn't actually check. I just found this piece of code and used it. So. Yeah, so here is just.
The mic is here, so I think users can hear you.
Okay. I think there are 2 things you can do right here in this console. It's possible that on the left side where it says libraries and services, that might list some things. But also just right in the console, there are ways in JavaScript to enumerate all of the functions and properties. So for example, there would be a way you can enumerate all of the functions that form has, and that would include things like add multiple choice item, things like that, so that you can see everything right there in the execution log. But yeah, there should also be a documented API.
Okay, great. Thank you. So now anyone can make even the largest survey they need automatically. Okay, great. Thank you, Juuso, for this very valuable and useful tutorial. And see you next time.
Okay, yeah, thank you for inviting me. Okay, even though it was very simple thing, but thank you for this opportunity. Okay, so see you later.
Thank you. See you.